Hey everyone, it's Jenna, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you an exercise that you can do if you're struggling with foot pain, like plantar fasciitis, or if you know that you're dealing with balance issues and you want to work on your balance. It's also great if you have hip pain and want to work on the muscles that help to stabilize your hip. We're going to be doing a Gong walking exercise today. So if you can do this out in nature, on the grass or on the earth, that would be the best. If not, join me in the comfort of your own home. I'm Jenna. I help people that are struggling with chronic pain or an injury get back to doing the activities that they love to do. We're going to be doing this video in standing, and make sure that you have enough room so that you can walk back and forth across your space. Start by standing with your feet right under your hips. One of the reasons why this Qigong walking exercise is so great if you're struggling with foot pain is because we're working on the muscles in the sole of your foot, the intrinsic muscles of your foot. We're also working on bending the ankle or dorsiflexing the ankle. Most people lack that range of motion. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it first. It looks like this. And notice how when I do this, I'm curling through my fingers, which is also a great exercise for working on your hands, especially if you work on a computer a lot, but I'm pulling the energy from the earth up into my body. So I'm pulling what we call chi or energy all the way up into my body and kind of squeezing my fingers together. At the same time, I am curling my toes. So it's really nice to do this on sand, but you can even do this if you're standing on your kitchen floor. Wherever you are, you can still curl your toes. Then you're going to step the foot forward, dorsiflex, and place your foot down. So I curl, fingers and toes, I release, and down. And the breath is going to sound like this. In through the nose. Again, I'm pulling that energy up from the earth into my body, drawing that chi up. And just turn around when you run out of space, rolling through the foot, curling my toes, picking up my foot as I draw the energy up, gently placing it down, flexing my foot, and stepping. I hope that you enjoyed doing this video with me, that you feel more balanced, that you feel more energized, your feet feel alive, and I would suggest trying this out as a daily practice. You just need a few minutes a day to strengthen your feet, work on your balance and your gait. I'll see you in the next video, and please like and subscribe if you are benefiting from this material that I do every week. Take care.